We got a 2004 PT Cruiser. The customer had a clone key that has a battery. The battery went dead. It lost all its information. Pretty common problem. Customer needs a key to start the car, so we use an original transponder key. We use the Advanced Diagnostics. So to program the new key, we use the Advanced Diagnostics, the MVP Pro, great machine. We get unlimited tokens because we use it quite a bit per month. We just pop it, we just cut this key on the transponder key, programmed it in. This, hold the pin. We got the pin and then programmed the key. Customer's happy, they got one working key. Programmed it perfect, car's running. Now the one thing is, sometimes with these PT Cruisers, it's showing less than 12 volts. This was showing 10. We hooked up the extra battery to it. It still said it was too low, but we were able to program the key. Common problem, put the booster on it, and it was able to program in. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.